guys, welcome back to another episode here of Slime and Slay Outdoors. We are on a river right now. I've got my girlfriend along, and we are going after some muskies, but she is going after some walleyes, bass, whatever else bites. So I'm gonna be throwing the musky baits, and she's gonna be throwing some walleye stuff. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens here, and never been here, so it's gonna be all new to me fishing this new river. So let's hopefully see what happens here tonight. Stick with us, stay tuned. It is gonna be an adventure. Oh, I got him. Yeah. I think it's a muskie. It's a big bass, huge bass. Oh my gosh, look at that bass. I should try to net that one. Oh my gosh. That's a huge bass. Alrighty. We got ourselves a giant smallmouth.
That's fun. Good job.
Early hook too. You want to get me those snippers?
Uh-huh.
Let's measure this guy and take a photo.
Really?
Oh yeah. Well, I don't have to get the big board out though. All right, I got him. Oh.
I didn't get it.
Well, I'm gonna measure him. How big? He is
19.5-inch bass.
Yep, 19.5-inch smallie. Oh yeah, that's good. Alrighty. Holy cow. 19.5 isn't my personal best, but that's a huge smallmouth. All right. There he goes. Oh my gosh, sweet. Oh. Is that actually another landing right there? You got one?
I got a fish. I don't know what it is.
It's another bass.
Oh, he's little. Don't lose my worm.
Oh, he did already.
Ow.
Yeah, look at, there's a landing right here, Kayla.
That was way better.
Yeah, than to having a motor all the way up there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we're definitely going here next time.
Hey, ow.
Ooh,
Is that? What is that?
I got him. Oh, it was a muskie. Yes, I know.
Oh gosh. I just need to get this.
Oh, I got him. I got him, Kayla.
What am I supposed to do with this fish? Okay, throw that back. Hopefully he doesn't.
Yeah.
Get it before.
All right, get your rod. We got a double fish. She's walleye fishing,
Good thing this is little.
and I'm muskie fishing. And we just scored a little muskie in the figure 8.
I just want to get this off the hook.
Oh, sweetness.
Like, why is this fish causing so many issues? Hello, fish. Okay.
All right, muskie aboard. Jeez.
Holy cow, I got it.
Not a very big one. Just doubled up on a bass. She got one, and then I got a muskie in the figure 8.
Yep, go.
Alrighty guys, we just scored on chartreuse blades again. Been the ticket so far for me this year. Just got a giant smallmouth. Girlfriend got a bass on, and we were trying to figure out what to do, and I literally scored at this muskie. It nipped me, and then it literally came back. Not a giant, obviously, but it's a river muskie, and you know how those guys are. They are very feisty. Alright, I got him. And there he is. Oh, gee. Oh my gosh. All right. Good? Let's measure him. Oh, come on, buddy. He is actually 31 inches.
Really?
Yeah, 31. Skinny little river fish and very dangerous. Let's just let him go. Oh my goodness. And there he goes. That's a dangerous little guy. He's gonna be dangerous when he gets to 50, but slime O Stache, first one of the evening, we'll take it. That was awesome. Just working some current here up on the river, and never fished here before, and we scored, so we'll take it. Alrighty, let's get back after it.
Oh yeah, I got one. It feels pretty good. I don't know what it is, but it feels good.
Wow.
Oh gosh.
Oh, you got a nice bass. Oh, that's a really big bass.
Oh, check it out.
Wow.
Pretty good. I was gonna say, felt good.
Easy.
Babe, be careful with them.
Got him?
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey, bass.
Check him out.
Okay.
Good fish.
Yep.
Probably about a 15-incher.
There he is. Probably is that my personal best?
Probably might be your better best.
Felt pretty good. All right, let's let you go, little guy. Oh, there he goes. Finally, caught a fish.
Or if I should try to work those weeds in your channel, work those out.
Oh, I got a fish. Oh, really? Well, at least save my worm.
That's a smallmouth bass.
That's a baby.
Uh-oh.
Oh, gosh. That was so close. Look at how little this thing is.
That is so small.
Go back to your mom. Well, stop moving first. Gotta save my worm here. Well, that little thing is going back in there. Wow, he kind of devoured this, actually. Wow. Can you feel bottom?
No.
Oh, I got one. Feels little.
A walleye.
I got a walleye. Oh gosh, my camera is pointed way down. I don't even think I got any of that on camera. There's a little walleye. He's warm. Well, he got a nice snack. Oh, there he goes. Okay, he goes back to musky fishing. You're not going to use your worm? Oh.
Another one?
Oh yeah. This feels better. It's head shaking. It's not big.
Bass.
Oh, come on. He hit way faster than the other ones did though. Stop moving. Stop turning. There we go. Well, he got a nice snack. Another bass.
Got him. I think it's a bass. Yeah. No. Yeah, it's a bass. It's a bass. Oh, big one again. Holy cow. It's a big bass. Not as big as my first one, I don't think, tonight, but he's got hooks all over in the face. That is a big one. I'm going to try to... Can you hand me those hookouts, please? Out there. There he is. Oh yeah, look at that smallie. Okay, beautiful. That's a nice try to get some of the colors on him. That's got to be about a 17-incher. Man, what a bass night. Beautiful. All right. Adios. Hammered the old fat bastard. Well guys, that's gonna wrap it up here. Mosquitoes are absolutely terrible. Kind of sucks, they were doing so well there, and I thought with this even cold weather last night they wouldn't be as bad, but can't complain. First time being out on the river here, and scored a little musky 31-incher, and I got two really nice bass on a musky lure, one 19.5, the other one didn't measure, but just having her along. She just did a little bit of some bass fishing, walleye fishing as I was musky fishing, and she did pretty well for doing it as I was moving along so quickly. So can't complain. It's always fun just getting out on a river. You never know what you can catch, but hopefully to better luck next time. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a big old thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.